ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೆಷನ್ 35 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 4ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್, ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಡರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲಾಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 + 0 0, 0 + 1 1, 1 + 0 is 1, 1 + 1 0, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಓವರ್ 1, ಈ ಥರ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಫ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡರ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾಫ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ accepts 2 binary digits on its input and produces 2 binary digits as output, which we call as a difference bit and barrow bit. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಿಟ್ನ ಕಳಿಬೋದು. ಕಳೆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾರೋ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾರೋ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹಾಫ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೈ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರೋದು 2 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಟ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಬಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಬಾರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. You can observe we are passing 2 bits, that is x and y, and we are getting the 2 output, that is difference and barrow. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. 0 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾರೋ ಕೂಡ ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0 1, 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಲೋ ಇದ್ದು 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾರೋ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0 - 1, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು 1, ಬಾರೋನು 1. ಅದೇ 1 0, 1 - 0, ಆವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾರೋ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 - 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾರೋ ಕೂಡ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಬಿಟ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ difference is 0, barrow is 0. When we subtract 2 higher bits, when both they are high bits, that is x is 1, y is 1, the output of difference is 0, barrow is also 0. So and when we subtract 0 - 1, we get difference is 1 bit, barrow as 1 bit. But when we subtract 1 - 0, we get only difference bit, don't get barrow bit. This is how the subtraction will happen between the 2 bits. Let's see the logical expression for difference and barrow. So logical expression difference we get, so x for first difference you can see here 0 x bar y bar. Since we got the output only for a 0 - 1, so we got x bar y plus of, and we got the output for 1 - of 0 is 1, so x y bar. So this is the difference output. For 0 0 we don't consider, 0 - of 0 is 0, 1 - of 1 is 0, so we don't consider for the output logical expression. So it is nothing but XOR gate formation. So XOR, instead of writing x bar y plus of x y bar, we write it is an x whole bar XOR of y. When come for the borrow, we get only a single output, that is x bar y, x bar of y. This is the borrow bit, and this is the logic circuit. For difference it is XOR gate, for borrow it is nothing but x bar of x will be connected with a negative gate, NOT gate, that we got x bar into y, and operation will be done, y will be directly connected, that is nothing but x bar into y. So, nothing but XOR y plus of x into y. This is the difference as well as borrow. So, half subtractor using NAND gate can be constructed in this manner, where you can use two variables as input, and for difference we get XOR operation, for borrow we get only x bar of y. So, this is how the implementation of subtractor, half subtractor using NAND gate. So, hope you are understanding. A half subtractor is where we are taking 2 bit as input and 2 bit as output, that is x and y is the input. It accepts 2 binary digit and its input and produce 2 binary digit as output called difference bit and borrow bit. You can observe the logical symbol, that is x, y, difference, borrow. We can observe that, and we get here the output in case where x is 0 0, the difference is 0, borrow is also 0, and we get difference output only when both the inputs are different. X minus 0, y is 1, 0 minus of 1 is 1, and borrow is 1. So, we got as output as 1, borrow is also 1, where in the case x is 1, y is 1, 0, the output is 1 minus of 0, the difference is 1, borrow is 0, and 1 minus 1, the difference is 0, borrow is also 0. So, what will be the output for the difference? The output for the difference is only x bar of y plus of x y bar, nothing but XOR gate implementation. For difference, for borrow, the output will be only x bar of y, that is x bar into y. So, this is how the logical expression, and this is the logical construction gate, how to be construct. This is for difference we have constructed XOR gate, and for borrow we have constructed we have used one NOT gate connected for X gate, and then we have connected Y directly, and we have connected to the AND gate both the value. So, we got as x bar of y, x bar of y plus of x y bar, and for difference we get as x bar of y. So, this is how the half subtractor using NAND gate operation will be happen. So here you have understand what do you mean by half subtractor and what will be the logical expression for the half subtractor. Let us understand one more concept called full subtractor. As in case of half subtractor, we have to use 2 bits, that is x, y, and the 2 output we get difference and borrow. In case of full subtractor, we will take, as in case of full adder we have taken 3 bit as an input, but the output will be 2 only, that is sum and carry. In the same manner here also 3 input but 2 output, difference and borrow. Let us understand that concept in detail. You can observe full subtractor except borrow from previous stage. So, it has 3 input x, y, b naught, and it has 2 output difference and borrow. You can see this is the logical symbol. Here you can observe x, y will be the input with one more input as borrow. One more input we have connected as borrow, and but the output here we got difference and borrow. difference and borrow will be the output. So, we have 3 bit input and 2 bit output. Let us understand the truth table. So, here 3 bit operation 0 0 1 bit borrow we have connected 1 bit as 0 minus of 0 is 0, 0 minus of 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0, 0 minus of 0 is 0, 0 minus of 1 1, where in the case of borrow 1. So, you can observe here 0 minus of 0 is 0, 0 minus of 1 is 1 with borrow over 1. Here 0 minus of 1 is 1, borrow over 1, 1 minus of 0 is 1. So, difference is also 1, borrow is also 1. When you come for 0 minus of 1 is 0 minus of 1 is 1, but borrow over 1. 1 minus of 1 is 0. So, we got here as 0. When you come for 1 minus of 0, it is nothing but 1. 1 minus of 0 is 1. So, 1 minus of 0 again we got 0. So, 1 minus of 0 is 1, 1 minus of 0 is 1. So, borrow is 0, and again 1 minus of 0 is 1 minus of 0 is 1, borrow is 0, 1 minus of 1 is 0, borrow is also 0, difference is also 0. When you come for one more as 1 minus of 1 is 0, no borrow, 0 minus of 0 is 0. So, you can observe this. In case of last case, 1 minus of 1 is 0, difference is also 0, borrow is also 0, 0 minus of 1 is 1, difference is also 1, borrow is also 1. Like this the 3 bit subtractor will be work. I will explain you one more time. So, here we are passing 3 bit x, y, one more bit, the complement of that which has been connected, inverter has been connected to the input. So, we are passing 3 input 0, 0, 0. So, when you see the difference, 0 minus of 0 is 0, 0 minus of 0, 0. In both the case, we do not get any borrow. In case of x, 0 minus of 0, we get 0 only, where in the case of the borrow is also 0. 0 minus of 1 is 1, borrow over 1. In case of 0 minus of 1, 1 minus of 0 minus of 1 is 1, difference, borrow is 1, 1 minus of 0 is also 1. So, where in the case of 0 minus of 1, again you can see we will get difference of 1 with borrow over 1, 1 minus of 1 we get 0. So, when you come for 1, x as 1 changes as 1, 1 minus of 0, so we get 1, where in the case of borrow is 0, and 1 minus of 0 is 1 only. When you come for next case, 1 minus of 0 is 1, borrow is 0, 1 minus of 1 is 0. You can observe the third case where 1 minus of 1 is 0. So, borrow is also 0, 0 minus of 0 is also 0. And in the last case, 1 minus of 1 is 0, 0 minus of 1 is 1, difference will be 1, borrow will be 1. This is the operation which will be performed in case of 3 bit subtractor. And when you see the logic diagram, you can observe here 2 XOR gate will be there, 1 XOR and 1 XNOR gate will be there in case of difference, but in case of borrow we get 1 AND, 1 OR, as well as 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate will be connected. So, you can observe here the full subtractor, difference, borrow, how we have constructed the gate. We are using the large number of NAND gate. We have connected one inverter with as an input, and this will be the, we get the 2 output, one is difference and one is borrow. Hope you are understanding what I am telling you. So, here you can see in case of half subtractor, there is only 2 bit will be input and 2 output, that is difference and borrow. And where we see the, in the case of half subtractor, we have to observe 0 minus of 0 0, 0 minus of 1 is 1, borrow over 1, 1 minus of 0 1, borrow over 1, 1 minus of 1 0 0. So, in case we have observed that for difference we got as an XOR gate, For in case of borrow, we got as an AND gate. So, in case of full subtractor, we have connected one more inverter as an to the one more inverter. In the said three inputs will be there. For that we have in full subtractor, borrow will be accepted, whichever the borrow will pass, it will be returned to the one more previous stage. So, there will be three input x, y, b naught, and the two output will be there commonly, that is difference and borrow. So, that we have observed in case of full subtractor, and this is the logical symbol where there will be three input and two output, that is difference and borrow. And we have explained you the truth table where we have observed two inputs we are passing, 3 bit we got two output, that is 0 minus of 0 is 0, 0 minus of 0 is 0 only, difference is 0, borrow is 0, 0 minus of 0 0, but 0 minus of 1 is 1 with difference and borrow 1, and this principle will continue on last where we get 0 minus of 1 is 1, borrow over 1, 1 minus of 0 is 1 only. Where in the case 0 minus of 1 again 1 with borrow over 1, 1 minus 1 get 0. Where in the case of 1 minus 0 there is 1 without borrow, 1 minus of 0 is 1 only. Again 1 minus of 0 is 1 with borrow, 1 minus of 1 without borrow, we get 1 minus of 1 we get as 0. Again 1 minus of 1 we get as 0, and with borrow as also 0, and 1 0 minus of 0 is 0. When in the case if it 3 bit is 1 1, 1 minus of 1, 0 with borrow over 1 minus of 1 is 0, 0 minus of 1 is difference is 1 with borrow over 1. So, this is how the logic diagram will be represented, and this is the NAND gate representation to logic circuit diagram which will be constructed for the full subtractor. Hope you have understand. This is a half subtractor and full subtractor of combinational logic circuit which will be asked in the examination for 5 marks or 7 marks question. So, please understand the subtractor concept of both and follow that. Thank you. We will understand some more concept in the next session.